What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the latest in everything crypto and meme coin news. My name is Joven, and as you guys can see, I have my channel pulled up, Meme Coin Daily, 400 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the continued support. Let's get to 500 subscribers next. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. Now let's head right over to coin market cap, see how the markets are holding up today. Yesterday was a very good day. These past couple of days we had a nice move to the upside. Bitcoin is chilling at $20,686. Ethereum 1,592. Dogecoin had a nice run up yesterday, 93% on the 7-day. You know what I'm saying? Basically did a 2x. It was at 6 cents, it ran all the way up to 13 cents, and now we're having a retrace, down 5% on the hour, 13% on the 24 hour. Chilling at 15 billion market cap. And then SHIBA, the legend, the GOAT, you know what I'm saying, sitting at 6.6 billion market cap, was up 20% on the 7-day. And now we're having a bit of a retrace, a correction, so the charts can remain healthy. So it's down by 2.56%. Now that run up that we had in Doge was a great sight to see, because it really helped to pull SHIBA up, you know what I'm saying. And the rest of the market has been getting a little bit more bullish. So I'm excited to see where we go from here. The economy is not doing great at all, but the market is slowly and steadily building a base and starting to move its way back up. You guys could see it, you know what I'm saying. Doge was at like around 5-6 cents. Now it's at 11 cents again. It's only a matter of time until the bull market is back. So I hope you guys are accumulating your SHIBA and whatever other altcoin you feel will be bullish for this next cycle, guys. Let's go through some SHIBA tweets, see what we got. We have a tweet from the official SHIB Twitter. SHIB is blank. What is SHIB to you guys in the comment section? Let me know. We have a reply from your pop. SHIB is the best cryptocurrency. Don't at me. The best. I like this tweet a lot. SHIB is hope, because it definitely gives people a lot of hope that they could, you know, make it and change their lives in an instant, thanks to cryptocurrency, thanks to meme coins, especially when you got projects like SHIBA. Next tweet from SHIBA INU holder, just a bit of TA here. You can see the chart is moving up, retracing, moving up, retracing. I think we'll continue up higher from here, guys. I really do. We have an article right here from You Today. SHIBA INU to receive surprise soon as lead developer teases interest in. And then if we go through the article, guys, SHIBA INU lead developer Satoshi Kusama has taken to Twitter to share what might interest the SHIB community. He tweeted, "Head down working, update coming soon, and I think you will love it." Bullish news, guys. Bullish news for the SHIBA community. Bullish news for the project. We'll see where it could go. Another interesting take from the article, where it breaks down SHIBA Eternity, which will allow players to choose from 10,000 Shiboshi heroes and 500 collectible cards. It's expected to be the most complex collectible card game released to date, according to the SHIBA INU team. The community was thrilled when the games was released, but many are now eagerly awaiting the debut of SHIBA INU's Layer 2 solution, Shibarium. Without giving a specific date, Kusama says that Shibarium would be made available soon. This is great news, guys. This means that the SHIBA community, Satoshi, the team, are building use case for the project, more utility for the project, more burns. Imagine when Shibarium launches, all the transactions that happen on that Layer 2 solution, all the DApps, the ecosystem develops, all the transactions go to SHIBA INU burns, guys. Nothing is impossible in the crypto space. So if you have a goal price, a target price for SHIBA INU, I wouldn't rule it out. Also, we see that SHIB long-term holders jump to 43%. People are getting their SHIB and they're relaxing with it in their bag, in their wallets, you know what I'm saying? They just buying their diamond hand in 43%. SHIBA INU spiked to an intraday high of 0.015 from lows of 0.014. As attention shifted to meme cryptocurrencies. This is what's gonna bring new retail into the space, guys. This right here, meme cryptocurrencies, started off in the last cycle when Dogecoin ran to 70 cents and SHIBA went on its freaking amazing run. Whole new range of new retail investors, so we could go on another run in the future. Next tweet from Xander Sheeb. This is happening in Argentina. Our dear community members have told me that they are making this beautiful site for Shiba Inu players. We will surely see Shiba Eternity combat events. Stay tuned. You are a rock, Shiba Inu army. Massive expansion of Shiba Inu. Woof woof. Cyber gaming El Bunker Shiba Inu players. So Shibarium getting its word out in Argentina, guys. The Shiba army is strong, and the Shiba army spreads across the whole world. Another insanely bullish article. SHIB burn rate climbs by 443% as price reaches 6-week high. Burn rate of Shiba being up 443% just means that the project continues to remain bullish, and it is great to hear, guys. Despite the price declines, it has been a monumental year for SHIB so far. This year has seen the launch of new projects and partnerships, the SHIB Metaverse, the Welch franchise, the Shiba Inu Burn Portal, and the Shiba Inu launch, and the Shiba Eternity launch, and others. Guys, I can't wait to see what's in store for SHIB. And a final tweet from the SHIB Dream. SHIB is now worldwide. Drop your flag below to show the world how strong the Shiba army truly is. Countries where SHIB is held, and we have a wide span of countries, guys. The SHIB army is worldwide. It is insane. It's just bullish news after bullish news for Shiba, and I can't wait to see where the project goes in the future. If you hold Shiba, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if this is your first time hearing about the project, seeing the channel, be sure to show support as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.